reinstalling the ignition switch. So, starting the car.
Emulator's green.
Before just starting to get the emulator installed.
Hey guys, we're back here on Mercedes-Benz ESL Emulator programming. This time we have, let me see, we got an email from Brian Perez, and he got a 2013 Mercedes C250 Sport. So, and this time, this one will have W207. As you can see, it's 207. And I don't think he sent me 2 keys, so we're gonna check if both works properly. Technically, we only need 1. However, that's fine. We'll take it. And of course, we'll be using the Autel IM508. We got a XP400 Pro, G-Box 2, and what else do we have? We got an emulator, and this is his EIS and the key. All right, let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead, go to the email. We already got this load up. We actually have it pinned out to the wires here. Let's go make it quick. I'm gonna go ahead and accept this. Let's go to Mercedes-Benz. It's a little bit off here. Let me see. There you go. Let's go to manual selection. Okay. Let's put this here. I'm not gonna show you that how everything is connected, but as usual, we connected. Everything is connected. It's a C class. It's 2013, so we go here 08 to 14, and then press yes. Of course, we're gonna get to get a password. We're gonna need an unprogrammed key for this, just to get a password. Let's go to control unit. Let's go to EIS tools. Let's see. This one I already tested the EIS status. I'm not gonna test it again. You can check my other video how I tested it. I have plenty of video about this. But this both works. I think it's a position 2 and position 3. Just need one original, one working one. So let's go ahead, just go jump into the read EIS data. I'm actually already connected to the wires here. Let's go to OBD on bench G-Box. This is a W207, and that's the wiring that we have: ground, positive 12 volts, green, and yellow, which is a CAN 14 low and CAN high 6. We have it here. Let's go ahead, press OK. I'm gonna go ahead read the EIS and save it. So this is the EIS that we have. So you can see it has 3 keys. I'm not sure what happened to the first key that he has. Let's press OK. Do you want to save the current EIS data? Yes. Let's go ahead and save it. Press OK. And that's saved already. So, well, today is February 12th. So we're gonna look on that file later that has today's date, because that's the only one I have saved today. Let's go ahead and escape. Let's go get the password right away. So we're gonna go escape, and we're gonna go add key. In order to get the password to calculate it, we're gonna go add key. We're not really gonna add key, but this is the only way to get the password. Fastest way, not the only way. So add key, W207. It's gonna be the same wiring. Press OK. So this time we're gonna get the program key and the unprogrammed key. I'll put the unprogrammed key here, and this is the program key. Let's go read the EIS data. Let's go begin. Communicating. Success. As you can see, just follow the procedure. Everything is going to be pretty straightforward. and you won't have any problem with these tools. It's pretty easy, straightforward. You just need to be patient. Okay, the ignition key cannot be detected. Let's do it again. I missed something. We need to press this one. Press OK. Press OK. Okay, press it. See, you need to press the button. I've been talking too much. Please insert the ignition key in the IR keyhole. Press here, which is the program key. Press OK. This is the EIS we have. Is this ignition smart key? No, it's not. Let's press no. Number possible existing key, yes. Okay. Say detecting frequency. Please put the blank key close to programmer reception. Then press it. Lock button. Please insert the blank key into the IR keyhole on the programmer. So this is the unprogrammed key. Put it here on the XP400 Pro. Press OK. Communicating with the key. There you go. The success. Is there a key password? No, we don't have. That's what we're doing. Add a key. Press OK to enter password calculation. OK. So we're going to be calculating the password. Let's go ahead and begin it. After the key password is calculated, it may require to insert the key. OK. Let's press OK. Insert the ignition key into the EIS. We'd wait for 5 seconds. We're going to put the program key. Insert the ignition key into the EIS and wait for 5 seconds. Insert it, don't turn it, just insert it. Press OK. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Success. Pull the ignition key out. Let's pull it out. Press OK. Okay. Make sure you're connected, by the way, onto your Wi-Fi or hotspot with your Autel IM508. I already connected it. It's automatic connected because I'm using it in my shop. So right now it's establishing connection. Right now it's communicating. Just have to really wait and be patient with this. It could take 5, 10, 30 minutes or 3 hours. It depends on the server. It goes through online. And make sure your subscription is up with this IM508. You see that it's connecting on top right here. It's blinking. Insert the ignition key to the ES and wait for 2 seconds. So let's insert this again. The original key, program key. Press OK. 2, 1. Please confirm whether the key can be turned. Yep, on. Yes. Press OK. After pulling the ignition key out, insert into the IR keyhole on the programmer. So pull it out and put it in the IR keyhole, which is the original key as well. Still, that's the program key, because this is the unprogrammed key that we have. So right now it's communicating. As you can see, it says getting the password right now. It could take 10 to 30 minutes, which that's what it says there. What we're gonna do is gonna put a timer. Just got a stopwatch right here. So I'm gonna wait here for like a couple minutes. We'll see. But normally take a few minutes. Sometimes it takes like 30 minutes, so it depends. So right now what we're gonna do is just leave it here. Pause the video, I'll come back. And this one will tell us how many minutes it'll take. Alright guys, so after about 8 minutes, it says insert the ignition key in the EIS and wait for 30 seconds. So we're not done yet. So insert the key, the program key, into the EIS. Press OK. And wait for 30 seconds. I think you had to recalibrate again. This one. Let's see. So you can see that's doing the countdown. and it's gonna continue to calculate the password again. So we're like 8 minutes, almost 8 minutes in, and it's still gonna continue. So 5, just 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Please confirm whether it can be turned on. It does turn on. Press OK. And then after pulling the ignition key out, insert into the I keyhole programmer. So remove it. The program key as well. Put it back. Press OK. And now you'll see it's communicating right here. Green is blinking. So it's 9 minutes in. As you can see right here, it's at 9 minutes. Let's go ahead start this again. Continue. It's 9 minutes. I'm a little bit off, but it's fine. About 8 to 9 minutes. So this time we're just gonna wait again. This is almost done. When you have the second time, I've never experienced having the third time around inserting into the EIS. But after that normally the second time around is shorter than the first one. The first one is like, as you can see, 9 minutes. That's 10 minutes. I don't know which one is faster. The clock is faster, but it should be done pretty quick. Let's see if we can wait. As long we still have our, let me see. We still have the G-Box 2 here, connected to the OBE right here, and DB15 connected here. We're not touching it, all the wires there. And of course the XP400 Pro has a special cable over here that goes on top of, it's like a USB right here. That's APC 101 for on top of the IM508 that we have. And I got my emulator ready here, and of course I have my, this is what we use to test it later if it's working properly. That's our EIS gateway platform. Alright, we'll see. Still calculating 11 minutes. As you can see, this is the original key. Send us 2 original key. You don't need to, just send me 1. There you go. As you can see, password is there. That's less than 10 minutes. Let me stop this one. As you can see, 10 minutes. Password is there. Normally I would just take a screenshot for that because it doesn't really save it. Sometimes it does save it. Okay, so we're done with the password. We're not adding key. We don't need this unprogrammed key anymore. We already used that. You can remove this. Let's press OK, and let's go ahead and run through this. You don't have to insert it to the EIS. It says insert it. This is if you want to add a key, go follow this again, but I'm not adding a key, so I'm just gonna go ahead run this through so I can go back to writing that file to this emulator, to this ESL Emulator. This one will replace this ESL. This one failed a lot. This locking mechanism right here, either it's in lock position or the electronic part doesn't communicate. So password calculation complete. Press OK, and generating key file, that's when you put the unprogrammed key here, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna let this run through and let it fail. To write the file back here is the password is needed. That's why we're doing this part right here. Let's see. Then there you go. As you can see, press OK. I'm just gonna press OK, trying to detect the key. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead trying to connect all these here. Let me see. I know this one goes down here. Okay, cancel because it failed. We don't need that. Let's go escape. Let's go escape. Are you sure you want to exit? Okay, escape. And now we're back here. Let's go to ESL tools. Let's press that one. ESL tools. Then let's go check the wiring diagram first. We need the W207. This part right here is where for the EIS wiring it's the same thing. We're not even removing it, we're just adding something on top, which is that the K line. As you can see, you can put the K line up here on the top, the EIS, but I'm just gonna insert it on the G box too. But the two red wire, let's go find a red wire with a big opening. We're gonna put it right here on the top left and the top right. Two positive, two 12 volts. That's what I'm gonna install it right here. And then the one of the ground, got this black one here on the bottom left. You'll see this is gonna start blinking red. There you go. That's good connection. Make sure it's all the way in right there. And then the K line, which is this one, connected to the G box too. You got an alligator clamp. It's already connected there. So let me see. Where you go? Right here. I'm gonna clamp it in the bottom right. Make sure that's connected. So you can see right here. Let me see. Move this one. That's the K line. It's a K7 right there. So it's connected there. So alright. So that's good. Let's go escape. Escape. And then let's go to W207. Has G-Box been used? Yes. So what we're gonna do is write the ESL data. Let's go write that down. The one we just saved, as you can see, it's communicating. Green is blinking, reading the ESL data from here. All right, it's going through. Let's go ahead. It's gonna load the file, and it would say then we're gonna locate the file that we just saved a while ago. All right, it's taking a little bit too long, but just be patient. It will go there. There you go. So the files, press OK. Then we're gonna go to EIS and EEPROM right here. Then EIS data. Today is February 12th. Let me see. Is it really? Yeah, right here. This is the last one right here. That's my file. Select that. Okay. It's loading it. You can see it's gonna blink. Watch this one. Loading files. Make sure you're not moving any of these wires right here. If something disconnected here, that's not gonna go through. But right now, there you go. Just press OK. Then this one, the password. Now we need the password because you can't write it without the password. So save the password. Let me see. It's the C2D. Let me see if I have the C2D. It's not in here, so I'm just gonna write it down. Make sure you type the right password. C2D. Make sure you type it the exact numbers and letters. 6, 7, F, A, 4, 8, E. There you go. Enter. Okay. if you didn't put the right password, it's not gonna, see that, it's not gonna go through. See that, it's writing ESL data, it's blinking, then it's gonna go red. Once it's done, there you go, it's red. Succeeded in writing. Awesome. That's it, guys. So that's how you write the file and program this ESL emulator. You can read it if you want to go there. Let's say you go here, you can read it. We can read it here. Read ESL data, it's gonna be the same, but this one, what we're gonna do, I'm done with this one. Done with this. Let's go. Well, disconnect all this. I don't need this anymore. Let's go ahead and check it real quick. Now, go back. These are the two keys we have. That's the original key. All right. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Let's see. All right. Let's go ahead and load this EIS platform that we have. It's connected. So what we're gonna do, we have this right here. This one, let's connect this here. This is connected here. Let's see. There we go. And the EIS connected right here, and this one's connected here. So that's W207, so you can see. All right. Okay. This is the two keys. Let's go focus it real quick. To have a glare. I don't want to have a glare. Let me move this on the side. Okay, this is the original key, and I'm gonna show you. This is the unprogrammed key. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Make sure we have 15 volts right there. So you can see this one is red because nothing is being inserted. Let's go ahead and insert the two keys that he has. See what happened. Green. You can turn it on, everything is green. That means it will start your car. Even the second key that he has, turn on, all green. All right, that's good, guys. Then this is the unprogrammed key, or a different key, not for this car. As you can see, it will not turn on the car. It won't even, it turns, but it will not start the car. All right, guys, that's how you program the ESL emulator. That's how you're gonna start your car without going to the dealer and charging you between $1,600 to $2,000. But you can do it, and I can help you out to program the ESL emulator. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you like this video, and just message me, email me at AutoPurlieu@gmail.com. If you want a key, all keys lost, just send me the EIS and I can make you a key. If you want to add a key, give me one of the key, one of the working key and the EIS, and I can make you a key added edition. I have a great on sale right now, and this one emulator I can do that too. If you need to have any question, just let me know, message me, email me. All right, guys, thank you. Till the next video.